dumb bitch. miles an hour in a fucking whiteout so she can fucking flip me off. She's a fucking stalker. And then here comes the lineup. Yeah, like we don't know about that one, huh? Good. Here she comes again. Oh no, she's gonna get behind me. Now she's gonna ride his ass. Look at her. You can see it's too bright. Stupid bitch. You ride people's ass like that in the middle of a fucking snowstorm, in the middle of a fucking whiteout? I mean, look at this. It was bad when she first started this shit. Barely see in front of you. Drunk bitch. Riding with the baby in the back of your van, flipping people off. You deserve Mommy of the Year award, bitch. See you again, you're gonna have some contact with the police. And it's not gonna be pretty if that baby's in that car.